the sky so white and blue, the sun that shines so bright above, and the stars that twinkle too. Allah made the mountains tall and the rivers that flow so free, the flowers that bloom with colors bright, and the buzzing of the bee. He made the birds that sing so sweet, and the trees that give us shade, the moon that lights the night so calm, and the gentle breeze He made. Allah loves us, this we know, His blessings never end. He guides us on the path of truth, our protector and our friend. When you pray, remember this: thank Allah with all your heart for every blessing, big and small. From Him we'll never part. Be kind, be good, and always share, as Prophet Muhammad taught. For in our hearts we carry